Okay, we're back. That didn't take too long. It actually cooled off pretty quickly. And so I'm going to bend those wires, one to go in opposing slots there. I'm going to get my piece here from before, and I'm going to route in the slots of this metal piece. And so that LED is going to go in the center of that clear plastic piece, and I want to make sure that clear plastic piece is well seated. It's completely flat. I'm going to turn it on its side and carefully, again, I'm just going to hold the Allen wrench and actually turn this metal part again, so that the wires don't twist on themselves. Got to be very careful not to pinch the wires again. That'll just create a short. Turns out that my piece isn't flat. Come on, get down in there. Putting it on its side didn't help. It's sort of it's not seating flat. I'm going to take it out. There. Let's try again. Don't you love this? You're seeing it all happen. I'm going to try to keep it this time sort of flat so it doesn't flip over. Again, I'm twisting the outside part, keeping the Allen wrench straight, making sure that the red and black wire don't pinch against the sides or anything to create a short. Alright, and I'm not going to tighten it down with all my force, just so that it's nice and tight. It's not going to come loose. Okay, that doesn't look so bad. Okay, the moment of truth. We're going to sort of assemble this. I haven't put the batteries back in, so it's going to be a little risky. I don't know if this is going to work. I think it's going to work. Really didn't, just the two wires, and I put them on the plus and minus, but boy, I hope it does work. It should. Of course, you never know. So let's put the batteries back in here. These are the batteries that came with the Ultrasaber lightsaber. They're rechargeable. They're interesting because they're rated as 3.7 volt lithium batteries. The size is this 14500. I actually ordered a couple of more on Amazon, because while one set's charging, I want to be able to use another set. Wasn't able to find the Trustfire brand, but we'll see how those come out. Okay, let's put the back on. And now I'm going to do a test here. I'm just gonna turn this guy on. I should get some kind of light. Oh yeah! Oh yeah! Oh, I love that. Oh yes. Let's turn that off. Yes, it's nice. It's white. And now the color part. This is the fun part. And as I mentioned at the beginning, I'm going to be doing some cosplaying as Darth Vader. Not the Darth Vader. What you saw in the movies. There's actually a two-piece suit with the Darth Vader helmet, and I will have the actual helmet. So this would be a little bit different. Anyway, I want to pick a red here, and they got some fascinating colors here. They've got a golden amber color, a dark amber color, a terry red, fire, flame red, light red, what else? Primary red. I mean, you got them all. There's a blood red, plasma red. So many choices, different grades, but you know what? I like the name Flame Red, so that's what I'm gonna try first. Now, so what I did was I just got a quarter. I got a quarter. I looked at the size because it's going to go in. It's going to be inserted in here quarter's about the right size. So I got me a Sharpie marker, outlined it, and I'm just going to cut that outline with some scissors here. And I'm going to cut on the line because it's a pretty tight fit. And so here we go. It's very thin, so it cuts very easily. I know this doesn't have to be perfect. I'm doing my best to make it a circle anyway. Don't really want to take apart the swatch book. Hit a little snag here. Probably could do this with an X-Acto knife as well. Okay, there it is. Not a perfect circle. Close. Let's see if it goes how well it goes in here. Want it to sit flat. All right, where's my tool here? See if I can. Whoa. Oh, that's interesting. Okay, so what I'm finding is because that filter is very, very thin, it can actually slide between the aluminum piece and the larger black piece. So I've centered it. Probably could have cut that circle a little bit wider, but this the lightsaber part, it's gonna my theory is that when I put it in the tube, it's gonna sit all the way down and sort of hold it in place. We'll see if how well that works. So I've centered it there. Let me put it down here. I am going down slowly. Okay. Use my Allen wrench to tighten the. There's an Allen wrench screw right there. Tighten it again. I'm not tightening it all the way because it will probably go through this plastic. Now let's the moment of truth see how this flame red filter looks. Oh wow. Oh yeah, that is very. I'm very happy with it. Now, what's interesting is, it's not like a deep red, and that's probably because this white LED is an 87.4 lumen. So I might play around with some of the other Lee filters. Go with a darker red just to see. But let me turn on the overhead light again because the room isn't completely dark, and I do want to see what the red looks like. You can see some battle wounds here on this guy, we need to see what color this red is with some room light, because that's probably what it's really going to be like. So it's almost more of an orange red, and again that's probably because of the 80, what did I say, it was 87 lumen LED. That's a lot of light. So I'm probably going to switch, make it a little bit more darker, but I'm very happy with how this turned out. And as you can see, it wasn't too difficult. You can do it. It does require a little bit of soldering, but now I'm good. I'm going to be able to swap out from red to blue to green, purple, whatever I want now, just by cutting out some leaf filters and taking them with me. Be going to DragonCon in 2019. This is going to be a lot of fun. Hopefully this video was helpful to you, and you guys have a nice day.